Hello everyone. I wanted to do a quick video to show you how to use split screen view on your iPad. Now currently I have the Zoom app open and I want to open up the Safari app so that it is next to the Zoom app and I can see both at the same time. What you want to do is swipe from the bottom up to bring up the dock. Now we're going to locate Safari. We're going to tap and hold and drag it to the left and let it go. And you can see here, I now have both my Safari app and the Zoom app open at the same time. There's a little tab in the middle that I can tap and drag to resize if I want Safari a little bit larger, or maybe I want my Zoom a little bit larger. Okay, I can tap and drag that across. And if ever I want one app to take over the entire screen, I can just tap that same tab and drag it over all the way and let it go. Okay. Now this is going to help you during your Zoom session so you can see what's going on the share screen and also do your work on Safari. Thank you. Have a good day.